A particle moves along the x-axis. Cool. The velocity of the particle at time t is given by v of t equals at minus 2t squared, the velocity function. What is the total distance traveled by the particle from time t equals 0 to t equals 4? This is the annoying part about distance problems. Distance and displacement are not the same. Displacement is easy. Distance is not. Like, for example, if I were to go forward like 10 feet, backward like 4 feet, the displacement is 6. The distance is 14. So what we need to do is we need to account for any changes in direction. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the velocity function and find the critical points using the velocity function and pretending that that is already the derivative. So we set u equal to 0. 0 equals 8t minus 2t squared. Let's factor out a 2 and a t, and that gives me 4 minus t. And so my critical points just so happen to be 0 and 4. So I don't have to worry about any changes of direction because any changes of direction would happen at 0 or 4, and my interval is only between 0 and 4, so I don't need to worry about that. That makes life a whole lot easier. So now what I do is, since I have the velocity function, the position function is going to be the integral. So I'm going to integrate 8t minus 2t squared dt between 0 and 4. So the integral of 8t is going to be 4t squared. The integral of negative 2t squared is going to be 2/3 t cubed. And then my limits of integration are going to be 0 and 4. Okay? Now it's just some gross math, so this is not going to be pleasant. Not pleasant at all. That's okay. We're going to have 4 times 4 squared, like so, minus 2/3 times 4 cubed, like so. That's not fun, but this part's going to be kind of easy. 4 times 0 squared minus 2/3 0 cubed. So we all know what's going to happen here. 0 squared times 4 is 0, 0 cubed times blah, 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 0. This whole thing becomes 0. So now I just need to focus on the left side right there. All right, so 4 times 4 times 4 is going to be 64 minus 2/3 of 64. And I believe, no, that's not going to be pretty at all. I was hoping it would be. Let's turn 64 into something over 3. So that would be 64 times 3 is 192 over 3 minus 128 over 3. And so 92 minus, that's 64/3. Oh, I should have done that. I should have known that. 64/3, which is going to be B. Gross. So not the easiest problem on the planet, but again, yeah, that's how you would do it. It's just this part right here just ended up being nice. That made life a lot easier. So thanks for watching.